Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to just press power key plus volume down at the same time, just like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down, and that's how you can easily take a screenshot. Then you can find the screenshots in gallery, in the in the screenshots album, and here they are, our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.